whatever shows up, observe it. Accept it. Then let it all go. If you feel anxious, worried, and scared, just take your time to become present again. Take a breath and get back on track. Don't worry about what happened earlier, and don't worry about what is going to happen next. It's just your mind. You and your mind. Here you are safe. You are supported. You can get through this. You can get through anything. Take a long, deep breath in through the nose and exhale out of your mouth with a sigh. Imagine with each breath, you can push any negative thought away. You have the ability to clear your mind with the power of your breath. This vital life force. And again, breathe in. Visualize what makes you anxious and breathe out, watching it disappear. Good. Now allow your mind to drift to the thought of a warm and delightful beach. Breathe in the fresh, salty air. Feel the breeze on your face. Notice the ocean and its blueness. You can hear the waves crashing on the sand. It is so relaxing here. Feel the warm sun on your skin. Notice the feeling of the soft sand under your feet. This beach is so beautiful.